Cybertruck prototype with new steering wheel in a new up-close video.
Yeah.
Instead of a steering yoke, here we have, it looks like Gigafactory Texas on display with a little kind of rope around it. Don't get too close.
It's got the hubcaps, which we like.
They call it a pre-production model. It does have the mirrors, which look a better shape. And now they have the stainless steel on the outside of them, which makes them look a little bit less F-150, even if it's just a little cap on there. They've got the Warthog wheels are back, which we're here for. The honker is back on the front, which of course is that singular windshield wiper, which covers that tremendous range. They had to do something. You got to wipe, Will. Would you agree or disagree with that statement?
I would have it without the wiper. I'll take the risk.
Goodness gracious, Will. What are you doing when it's coming down with the sleet and the salt? Look at that sensor, that camera array staring back at you, looking like some sort of eight-legged creature. And the front end. And I don't mind these up-close videos here. Another camera there. I'm kind of into it. But, of course, we didn't get to the steering wheel part yet. Here we have the enormous doors being opened. Wow, I wonder how heavy those babies are. And there is a steering yoke with slightly more curvature to it. So hopefully I'm not banging my leg in on the way in and out. And wearing off, which I'll put a picture of this on social media, wearing off the finish because you keep banging into it. And you're constantly adjusting and trying to remember to have it spun in the position that allows entry and exit without wearing off whatever kind of vegan leather. Oh, the supple vegan leather. Said no one ever.
Yeah.
It's a synthetic material, which is fine. Can we be done with the vegan leather words? Just call it, it's just a synthetic material, Will. It's a synthetic material.
But you know Elon likes to be cheeky.
It's a leather-like, well, he's not the only one. The whole industry is doing it. It's a leather-like synthetic material, and it's not as strong as leather, period. Okay, cool. Now we got it all sorted out. Now we understand pros and cons. The bed looks good. I see some outlets back there. With the tailgate down, you actually get some usable length there. I see a couple tie-down spots. Actually, if you don't mind, can you just reverse ever so slightly here to how we saw the seat folded up in the back seat, much like what happened on an F-150 or a Ram 1500. Boom. Load space on the deck in the back row. Lovely stuff. You just flip it up. Use it all the time. And there's no, it looks like a flat load floor there because, well, guess what? You don't have the typical components you might have. Ford is able to pull it off. Is that a RGB LED in the back, or is that just for
I think it's just for the show.
Just for a show. Just for show.
You can see the close-up of the buttons here as well.
Well, those things scare me a little bit. Rivian, they scared me. Hummer, they scared me. Of course, we get crazy winters. Things freeze up. The motors suffer.
Right.
You can't yank and crank. But I'm just chatting. I'm a guy making noise.
What do you think about this now? By just having like a little...
Yep, I'm there. You got me.
Tour.
You got me, Will.
You're into it more.
Black glass on top. Give me these wheels. Give me some Warthogs. I'll sort it out. I'll sort out the rest. You give me the Warthogs, I'll sort out the rest.
It seems a lot more polished. Definitely. If it comes out like this, I don't mind it.
We're taking a spin, dude.
Yeah.
We're taking a spin.
Let's go.